How to fix lock screen wallpaper displaying black on iPhone. So if you want to fix lock screen wallpaper displaying black on your iPhone, then what you need to do is just watch this video. First and foremost, a simple restart can often fix this issue. Temporary glitches can sometimes be the culprit, and a restart helps clear them up. Hold down the power button or the side button on your iPhones until you see the slide to power off prompt, and wait for your iPhone to shut down completely. Then press and hold the power button again to bring back to life. Next, consider the possibility of outdated software. Outdated iOS versions can sometimes introduce unexpected behaviors, including issues with your wallpaper. So, to update your iOS, you need to open up your settings at first. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit, go with General, and then go with Software Update. And here you will have your updates. You need to just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back, and then you need to scroll all the way down, go with Apps. Under Apps, you need to search for Wallpaper application. Or if you don't find Wallpaper under your Apps section, you need to go back. And here you need to scroll down a bit. You'll find Wallpaper. Tap on it. Here you need to double check that the wallpapers you want for your lock screen are still selected. It's possible that you might have accidentally chosen a different image or somehow reset the wallpaper settings to default. And this is how you can fix your lock screen wallpaper displaying black on iPhone. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.